all my subscribers and the persons those who watch me on YouTube. It's been a long time since I have updated any motivational video on my channel. I do write educational videos, but I have told you that I would be motivating you all, including my students and all the persons those who are watching. So first of all, a very crucial topic nowadays that is very important, that is about COVID-19. So I just want to motivate you in the sense, like, we all know the pandemic situation we are going through. Like, if you open the news channels and you see all the bad things which are happening, a lot of lives are going, and a lot of trouble everyone is facing, even in the hospitals, even in the this COVID viral has this virus has spread all over the world. So this we all know. Now, how to motivate in this kind of pandemic situation? How to how to make ourselves motivated? Like, suppose I don't want that, but many of our friends, our family members also, and our near dear ones also have gone through this pandemic situation, and they have also had COVID-19. Few have recovered, but few could not recover, and they died because of that. So a lot of tragedy has occurred. So all of this is there, and how can we now motivate in this kind of situation? So the thing which come to my mind is, I would suggest to all my students whom I teach, and all the dear and friends of mine, and of course the person who is watching the video, that please do such things in life which make you happy. I would say, if you like dancing, please dance. If you like singing, please sing at your home. Yes, at your home, that is very important. If you like playing badminton, since it's you may do it outside, but at your home, in the home premises itself. And whenever for the urgent things you want to move out, please wear mask and sanitize. This we have already heard from many people, but we don't take things much seriously until we face that thing ourselves in our life. So I would suggest, since the virus is there around us, so we don't know actually who is carrying the virus, and so it is better to safeguard you. And we cannot say that many people are going to their jobs also, since we cannot delay our jobs for too long. Of course, few have said that it's better to work from home, but many of the jobs, they are going to the places and they're working. I would suggest that all time be conscious in your mind, because you have to take care of your family, you have to take care of yourself. If you take care of yourself, you are taking care of the whole country. Because if a single person can spread this virus tremendously, you won't believe how much impact a single person. I always heard one thing in life, that one man army. I have heard in one of the movies also this thing, that a single person can change the world. And something my favorite quotation is, like, education is a powerful weapon to change the world. So now the thing which can change is you being safeguarding yourself from this virus. So if you are safe, pretty okay, all your family members are safe, and all the near and dear ones to you are safe. So just be very conscious of your health, of how to stay away from this virus, by using mask, by sanitizing, and by keeping social distancing. So these three things are prior important. And how to keep yourself happy all the time, because we know we all like parties, we all like to hang over with friends, and we all like to go to movies and watch movies and all that. Since very good thing, I came to know that now in Dish TV and other entertainment medium, the movies of the theaters are coming at a very nominal prices, and you are able to see those movies at your home, sitting at home. So that's very recently I also saw a movie, that is Radhe, and that was pretty good, and it was a different experience. I was feeling more like I was sitting in the movie theater, because without any ad the movie went, and it was like superb. So the things are changing according to our situations since we are facing. So it's better we also move with the flow, because if we stick to the old things which we had, no, we have to go to the movie theater, no, we have to watch there, what the lockdown, I don't follow lockdown rules. Such kind of attitude is a danger, not only to you but to your whole family. and that is a life death situation it also creates. So please, I would suggest all of you, so please be 100% in your mindset, and please be happy, because if you are happy, your whole family would be happy by seeing you happy, and you can also make them cherishable. If you are first, you have to apply it on yourself. First you have to be happy yourself, and then only your family can be happy by seeing you, or you can do some things which make them happy, right? In that case, you should always keep yourself busy, I would suggest. Keep on doing some productive work, I would suggest. Like, if I am a person of academics, so I always try to write research papers. I like to do multiple things, like keep on studying some books, etc, etc. That is my personal way of utilizing time. But we all, since if you are a student, then you must know the you must keep on devote your maximum time in studies, in improving your concepts, since the one thing which is most effective is the education of our students. Because of this COVID-19, many of our students are not able to get the education which they deserve. They're paying fees, everything is going on, but they could not get that quality of education which they deserve. Some of the faculties are also having problem in this online medium, but it's better our faculties also become up to date, and our students also, they try to accept the things as they are coming, because in everyday time things are changing. Sometimes it's good that we hear that now the COVID virus has are affecting less, but it has not that's not gone still. 100% it's not gone. So we should always, you should not say that, okay, now the things are going to normal, so we remove our mask, we forget about the social distancing. No, we have to be serious about this. So, because being serious about this is, you are being serious to you and your family. So that's very important. And being happy is the best remedy. And suppose unfortunately you get into the virus, then you can cope it up, but not with stress, because a lot of people, they are taking a lot of stress. Oh my god, I got this COVID, now how can I they think so negative, they get into depression, so they die themselves by overthinking and by all that things. So even the medicines could not work for them, and they hide from the society that I have got COVID. So this is really negative thing which you should not at all follow, please, because this is not harming to you, but to millions of peoples who get to know about you, that such kind of peoples are there, those who are doing ill to their lives also, and to many of the other lives also. So I would just suggest you, so please, in this pandemic situation, as we say, the name itself is pandemic. Pandemic means just to shout here and there, and crisis time. Don't make it crisis. We know that where where there is will, there is a way. So we have a will that we will fight this virus, and we throw away this virus forever. But for that, we have to stay united. We have to stay together, and that is very important. So unity is power. So unity in doing all the three things which COVID says: wearing mask, using sanitizers, and social distancing. That is very important. So keep on doing these facts, and try to isolate yourself if you want, not by going out from the social media. I would say, be on social media, be on Facebook, be on Instagram, be on Gmail, be on phone calls, be on video calls, be on Zoom meetings you are taking, be on Google Meets, everywhere you be, but it should be online. It should be like social distance. Like I want to share this thing to all of you, to all my friends and near ones. That's why I'm sharing this. So keep on doing such kind of things also, because I want to speak also, and I want to hear also. So I'm speaking, and many of my friends, I would love to hear you out. I've seen many good changes which this pandemic situation has brought, that a lot of people have taken interest, and some new hobbies they have developed, which in my students I can see, and in my friends also. So try to do something good. And one thing which I have noticed was that many of my friends have started cooking something, like every dishes they have started making. Me also, I was not aware of many of the dishes, sweet dish, but I have tried it out from seeing on YouTube, and I start making all these. So try to indulge in something useful, in something productive which make you happy, your family happy, and just be the way you are. And believe me, we would fight not only with COVID, but we will also become a better person as we were before. So thank you. I hope you like this video. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you. And last but not the least, stay safe and be at home. If very necessary, then only go outside. And that too also follow all the 3 norms of COVID, that is wear masks, sanitize, and social distancing. Thank you. Have a nice day.